Why is studying so stressful? A graphic organizer is so enjoyable studying tool that lets you study simple and easy. Graphic organizers are tools to help you take notes. Some graphic organizers are best used as you read to help you understand concepts. Others are best used to summarize or review information. Using a variety of graphic organizers will help you to understand and remember what you have learned. During reading, use these graphic organizers which help you organize ideas in paragraphs and sections as you read them. The first amazing diagram is the process diagram. What is it? A process is a series of steps that produces a result. Process diagrams show these steps. How do you make it? Start with the first step and then draw each step one after the other and connect them with arrows. Cycle diagrams. What is it and how do you make it? Draw a cycle diagram to show processes that repeat without a beginning or ending. Use the arrows between the boxed steps to show the direction or order in which the cycle happens. First, find the main idea. The main idea may be in the title of the section. It may be labeled main idea or key concept in your book, or it may be the topic sentence in a paragraph. Write the main idea in the top box. Next, summarize or paraphrase details that help explain that main idea in the boxes.